Hi everyone, welcome back to Job Kar. I am Shabana and I'm here with a new video. So आज का जो वीडियो होने वाला है वो होगा Accenture इंटरव्यू एक्सपीरियंस पर फॉर द रोल ऑफ सिस्टम एंड एप्लीकेशन सर्विसेज एसोसिएट. सो एज पर दी रोल यहाँ पर दो ऑप्शंस हैं फॉर आईटी एंड नॉन आईटी. अगर आप कोडिंग राउंड दे रहे हैं तो इंटरव्यू में आपको लाइक यू विल बी हैविंग योर टेक्निकल प्लस एचआर इंटरव्यू. और अगर आप कोडिंग राउंड नहीं दे रहे हैं तो आपका लाइक आपको सिर्फ एचआर क्वेश्चंस पूछे जाएंगे. There can be like there can be small technical questions also related to computer. So that things you don't need to worry because they will not be asking you like very tough questions or related to coding. Yeah, so that's all. So सबसे पहले हम टिप्स के बारे में बात कर लेते हैं जो आपको इंटरव्यू क्रैक करने के लिए ज़रूरी है. सबसे पहले आपको अपना रिज्यूमे प्रिपेयर करना है. योर रिज्यूमे और योर सीवी शुड बी वेरी इम्पैक्टफुल. उस तरीके से आपको बनानी है लाइक आप जिस रोल के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, आप जिस कंपनी के लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं, उसके अकॉर्डिंग आपको अपना रिज्यूमे बनाना पड़ेगा. अगर आप उस तरीके से बनाते हैं तो देयर आर many chances that according to your resume and according to the interview they are asking the questions and according to your answer you will get selected because resume like plays a very important role. So you need to keep in mind that and prepare your resume according to that. If you have already like given your resume while applying for the job, still in the interview you can like give them a new resume telling that this is the updated one. So don't worry if you have already given your resume, just prepare another resume according to job you have applied for and according to the company. Prepare your new resume and use that. Second tip is stay relevant. So you need to be relevant, like whatever they asking you need to give answer for that only. You need to be relevant, you need to stay on the topic only. लाइक आपको ज़्यादा नहीं बोलना है उनके सामने. जितना आपसे पूछा जा रहा है आपको उतना ही शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल एंड स्वीट आंसर करना है बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली दे आर चेकिंग योर पर्सनैलिटी, योर स्किल्स, राइट? And the interview period is like 15 to 20 minutes. Sometime it go to 30 minutes. So in that short period they are checking your skills, they are checking your personality. So you need to be stay relevant so that they can ask you whatever the question they want to ask and you just simply give the answer and इधर उधर की बात नहीं करनी है आपको. ओके. उसके बाद प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ फॉर एवरी बेसिक क्वेश्चन. या इंटरव्यू है, वहां पर आपसे कुछ भी पूछ सकते हैं. सो यू नीड टू प्रिपेयर like you need to have answer of every basic question or every basic thing they want to know. So that's it. And stay confident. Confidence is the key because interviewer have the power. like आप में confidence ही देखना है उनको. They want to check your confidence, they want to check your communication because in a company there are so many roles. Even if you don't know anything about technical, there are still roles which you are fit in. So you just need to be confident because if you don't know coding, it's okay, they will train you about that. But confidence is like no one can teach you that. You need to have it, you need to wear it. So stay confident and don't hesitate. So don't hesitate while like answering the questions. This is the key. नेक्स्ट अगर हम बात करें तो कीप एन आई कांटेक्ट. आपको इंटरव्यू के साथ आई कांटेक्ट रखना है वाइल गिविंग योर आंसर. सो दिस शोज योर कॉन्फिडेंस, दिस शोज कि आप अपने आंसर को लेके कितना कॉन्फिडेंट हो. एंड या so make keep an eye contact with the interviewer. Posture of your body should be energetic. So योर पोस्चर ऑफ योर बॉडी शुड नॉट बी लाइक आप ऐसे ढीले ढाले से बैठे हो. योर पोस्चर ऑफ बॉडी शुड बी वेरी एनर्जेटिक. दे शुड हैव कि हाँ आप इंटरव्यू देने आए हो एंड यू आर वेरी मच कॉन्फिडेंट, यू आर वेरी मच एनर्जेटिक, and you are very much you can get this job at any time at your interview. So you should be very, because आप अगर ऐसे डल बैठेंगे तो your confidence is not gonna show. So आपको, you have to be confident, you have to be energetic. If you fail to listen something, then frankly say, can you please come again, and can you please pardon, and can sorry I didn't hear you, I सो इस तरीके से आप पूछ सकते हैं अगर आपने कुछ भी नहीं सुना है, या फिर कुछ भी सुनने में आपको लग रहा है कि आपने गलत गलत तो नहीं सुन लिया, या फिर कुछ भी. सो इफ यू फेल्ड देन प्लीज डू आस्क, बिकॉज या अगर आपने नहीं सुना है तो आपको सीधा बोलना है उनको कि हाँ आपने नहीं सुना है और क्या आप बताएंगे. क्योंकि इसमें कोई गलत गलत बात नहीं है. दे विल नॉट जज यू ऑन दैट. And brush up your background knowledge of your third or fourth year project and internship. So like in every graduation in the last year or second last year हमें कुछ projects और internships करनी होती हैं. उन इंटर्नशिप्स और प्रोजेक्ट्स को हम इन अपने रिज्यूमे में भी ऐड करते हैं. सो यू नीड टू ब्रश अप the knowledge of your internship, whatever you have learned from there and whatever you had done in your internships and projects, because basically they ask question about that. Because if you have done some projects, if you have done some internships, they want to know about it, because they are the skills you have gained while your education period. So डू प्रिपेयर फॉर देम ऑल्सो. अब हम बात करते हैं टेक्निकल इंटरव्यू की. जिन्होंने कोडिंग राउंड के लिए फिल किया है, कोडिंग राउंड को क्लियर किया है, they will be having a technical interview. Like there will be technical plus HR, so there will be 2 or 3 persons, they will have your interview. So in technical they can ask, so C, C++, data structure, operating system, and basic technical question. They will ask you really basic questions. So you should have sufficient knowledge of C, C++, and operating system. And they can ask you small questions such as palindrome, series, swapping without extra variable, and theoretical questions on data structure and DBMS. So you need to have idea about that. And the questions like what is dynamic memory allocation with example, and what are inner and outer joins, and questions on keys in DBMS like primary key, super key, difference between primary key and unique. So you need to like go through the basics of data structure, C, C++, operating system, DBMS. अगर आपने बेसिक पढ़ लिया है तो you can like क्रैक योर इंटरव्यू वेरी इजीली. अब अगर मैं बात करूं कि कुछ लोग यहाँ होंगे जिन्होंने पाइथन या जावा या फिर कोई और लैंग्वेज में अपना जो कोडिंग ग्राउंड है वो दिया होगा, एंड देयर कैन बी सम पीपल जिनको सी, सी प्लस प्लस का नॉलेज नहीं होता है, बिकॉज पाइथन इज द लैंग्वेज जिसको हम बिना किसी लाइक कोडिंग बैकग्राउंड के बिना भी सीख सकते हैं. इट इज़ वेरी इजी टू लर्न. सो अगर आपको सी, सी प्लस प्लस, ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, इन सब का नॉलेज नहीं है तो डोंट राइट इट इन योर रिज्यूमे, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली हम अपने रिज्यूमे में वो चीज़ लिखेंगे जो हमें आती है. सो जस्ट राइट पाइथन और वॉट एवर लैंग्वेज यू नो, and also write how much you know, like you know the basics, you are you are at the moderate level, and you are like you are an expert in that language. Always write that. So uh, they will ask you question about that programming language, because obviously if you don't have idea of C, C++, but you know the other language, then they will ask you on that. Or even if they ask you like by mistake, if they ask you about C, C++, without checking your resume, then you can frankly tell them that you don't have idea about C, C++, you know this language, like you know Python or you know Java or anything which language you know. So you can tell them that I don't have idea of this language, and or I don't know this language, I know that language, I know Python, so you can ask me a question about that. So you can frankly tell them. So this is all about the technical interview. So you can prepare basic questions about all these things, and you are good to go. अब नॉन टेक्निकल की बात कर लेते हैं. सो फॉर द सिस्टम एंड एप्लीकेशन सर्विसेज एसोसिएट इन एक्सेंचर, द सिलेक्शन इज ओनली डन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ कॉन्फिडेंस एंड कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स. सो ऑब्वियसली जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले भी बोला कि देयर इज नॉट ओनली द कोडिंग for which they like they hire you. There are so many non-IT or non-technical role also which has a great career, which has a great career graph, and आप बिना कोडिंग के भी एक अच्छी कंपनी में जाके बहुत अच्छा बहुत अच्छा सैलरी ले सकते हो, बहुत अच्छा अपना करियर ग्राफ बना सकते हो, एंड यू कैन मेक योर करियर वेरी गुड, वेरी वेल. So in this role, selection is done on the communication basis of communication and the confidence you wear. So आपको basically confidence रहना है, and you need to be very fluent, you need to communicate very well. Yeah, so this is the tip for the non-IT who are not appearing for the coding round. बात करते हैं questions की that can be asked to both non-technical and technical students. Like if you are having your coding round and if you are not having your coding round, these questions are important for both. So सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन जो वो पूछेंगे दैट इज टेल मी अबाउट योर सेल्फ. सो ये क्वेश्चन देयर इज दिस क्वेश्चन लाइक इन एवरी इंटरव्यू, ऑलमोस्ट एवरी इंटरव्यू. So you need to tell them about your college, your schooling, and the projects you have worked, the internships, and the extracurriculum activities. Like you need to prepare 1 or 1.5 or 2 minute answer for that. You need to prepare that कि आप क्या बोलने वाले हैं उनको. Tell me about yourself. Like you can tell them about your education. Okay, so these are the things. Then next question comes about your fourth year project. So आपका फोर्थ ईयर का प्रोजेक्ट एंड आपने जो भी इंटर्नशिप कर रखी है दैट प्लेज अ वेरी गुड रोल, वेरी वास्ट रोल इन दिस. सो आपको अपने प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में अच्छे से पढ़ना है बिकॉज दे विल डेफिनेटली आस्क यू अबाउट योर फोर्थ ईयर प्रोजेक्ट. तो उसको आपको पूरा समझाना है एंड वॉट एवर यू हैव डन इन दैट प्रोजेक्ट, लाइक वॉट वॉज योर रोल इन दैट प्रोजेक्ट, आपको वो बताना है. Then they give you a topic and you have to speak for for 2 minutes. So that might be the case. Then they will give you a topic and you need to speak for minimum 2 minutes. They will check your communication skills with that. So they can give you any topic. So you need to just prepare in your mind and speak for 2 minutes, and sometime cross questions on the project or the topic. सो अगर आप उनको अपने प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में बताते हैं एंड if they want to ask you some cross questions, then they will ask you and you need to answer for that. Then next come why Accenture or why you want to join Accenture. So you can prepare your answer according to that. Accenture is an multinational company and it is a very good organization, it is a growing organization. So you can answer if you join this company, then you can grow with the company's growth, and you can help you can participate in the growth of the company. So you can prepare like that कि आपको अपनी ग्रोथ के साथ कंपनी की ग्रोथ को बताना है, एंड यू नीड टू आंसर कि आपकी ग्रोथ से कंपनी का ग्रोथ है. इस तरीके से आपको आंसर करना है इस क्वेश्चन. So the next question you can expect is, are you ready to work in night shift? So even if you may not need to work in night shifts while you join the company, but they ask you this question because they want to know how willing you are to join the job, and how much you can do for the job and how much you can do for the company. So they definitely ask you this question. So you need to answer this question as yes, because Obviously, if you are giving if they are asking you for the night shift when you have joined the company, then you can tell your reason if you are not able to, or if you don't want to do the night shifts, but you need to answer as yes in at the time of interview, so that you need to show your willingness to join the company. Next, are you comfortable with the relocation? Yeah, so this is the these type of question asked in the interview to just know how much you can do for the company, what you can do for the company if they hire you. So you have to answer as yes, because obviously for obvious reason they want to know you, so you just have to say yes, you will do the night shifts and you will be able to relocate. And next is, what is your expectations? So expectations की बात करें तो you just have to answer your professional expectations, what you want to a company you joined, and what you want to your what you want in your boss, like आपका बॉस कैसा होना चाहिए, आपका कंपनी कैसा होना चाहिए जो आप ज्वाइन करते हैं, एंड what are the expectations from the company, you should have a good environment when you go to the company, and all the details whatever you your expectations from a company you need to mention here. And then you can expect a question like toughest decision of your life, and from that what you have learned. So if you think that there is any toughest decision till now in your life, so you just need to tell them the reason, and you just need to mention that whatever what you have learned from the toughest decision and from the situation. Because obviously if there is something very tough or something very worst happens in our life, so we definitely learn something from there. So you have to give your answer for these questions. Next, you can expect, what is in you that we hire you for this position. So आपको अपना skills दिखाना है that what are your skills that can you fit in the role, and you can work for the company, and your work will benefit the company. So you need to prepare this answer according to the position you are interviewing for. Like in this role you need to show your skills, system and application services associate. For this you need to show your skills your technical skills, your communication skills, or like you need to show them that you are a team player, so and you are very adaptable, you learn things very in a short time. So these are the qualities which will help you with the role, and which will help you to grow the company in a good way. So next question, where do you see yourself in the company? So if they hire you, where do you see yourself in 5 years, in 10 years, or where do you see yourself in the company? So you need to answer this accordingly. Like you don't need to tell them that you will be a manager or you will be a team lead or anything. You just don't need to mention the post, but you need to keep this on your learning skills, that you will see yourself at a position that will suits you according to your skills and according to the experience you have with your technical knowledge and with the other knowledge you have. So you need to answer like this, and yeah. इसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डिस्क्राइब द कलर येलो टू somebody who is blind. So these type of question also you can expect, like this is very rare question, but you can expect because this has asked in our interview. So you can expect this to be asked, so you need to prepare or your answer for these type of, like you need to prepare your mind that these types of questions can be asked in the interview. Then next is, what are your future plans for the company if permanently employed? So if the company hired you permanently, then what are your future plans? So you need to tell them that whatever you have planned for your future, because yeah, but always include your growth, and you will going to learn something very new. So you need to prepare your answer like that. Next is, are you comfortable with traveling and staying in different locations? So if company wants you to travel for any role or anything, then you have to say yes for that, because obviously if a company have given some work to you, then you need to complete that, because that's your job. So you need to say yes here, that you are comfortable with traveling and staying in different locations. Next, you can expect a question like, are you capable enough to handle multiple profiles in case of emergency or required? So in a company, in a organization, everything happens on the business requirement. Like, there, if there is requirement, then you need to work sometime on multiple projects, sometime on two projects, sometime on three projects. So like these, you need to handle everything, you need to work accordingly, and you need to work overtime sometime. But this is the like this if you they are giving you 5-day working job, then this can be done, I think so, because there are so many companies which ask you to work 9 to 10 hour per day, and they only give you 1 week off. So uh, I think you should do it for you should be capable to handle multiple profiles in case of emergency, because this happens only in case of emergency and only in case of business requirement. So you need to say yes here. Then uh yeah, this is the question. Next, what will you do when a client is asking you to provide something which doesn't make any sense? So here you can't say like you will say no to the client, because this is not the policy. आपको उसको you need to answer very smartly here. आपको उनको बताना पड़ेगा that you will have a talk with the client, and आप उसको अपने तरीके से समझाएंगे that ये चीज़ क्यों नहीं करनी चाहिए उसको. You simply cannot say that this doesn't make any sense to the client. So you need to handle it accordingly, and you need to answer it that way. Next is, how has the use of electronic gadgets like mobile laptops or computers have affected your personal and professional life? So यहाँ पर this is the question where you need to play very smart. You need to mention all the do's and don'ts and all the benefits, and जो भी बुरा हुआ है, जो भी अच्छा हुआ है हमारी लाइफ में with the laptops and mobile or whatever electronic gadgets we use in day-to-day life. So you need to mention all the benefits in your personal and professional life. And in the professional life, there are only benefits, I would say. But in personal life, there are some not benefited in some way, these electronics devices. So you need to prepare your answer accordingly. Next is, what do you know about our company? So not for exchanger only, but whatever company you interviewing, you need to have a basic idea. You need to have the idea what the company does, एंड कंपनी के बारे में आपको कुछ पढ़ के अपना एक आंसर प्रिपेयर करना पड़ेगा, जिस भी कंपनी के लिए आप कभी भी इंटरव्यू दे रहे हैं, बिकॉज दे आस्क यू फॉर दैट. बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली इफ यू आर गोइंग फॉर एन इंटरव्यू, सो यू नीड टू हैव एन आइडिया अबाउट द कंपनी, लाइक वॉट एवर company you are interviewing. Okay, then what is that interest you most about this job? So for the system and application services associates, you need to learn about the profile, and you need to make your answer according to that, because like you can say that if you are applying for the coding, if you are taking the coding round and applying for the coding job, then you can say that you have the skills, you know this language, or you know these technical skills that can benefit me with the job, so that interest you about this job. You can answer like this. Or you have the skills which are beneficial and which can help me with this job, so like this thing interest you about this job. Next is, can you tell us more about your education and courses? So this question, this can be your second or third question, I would say, while you start interview. So they want to know more about your education and courses. So अगर आपने कोई भी ऐसा कुछ कोर्स जो कि आपने अपनी कॉलेज के साथ या फिर कॉलेज के टाइम पर करा हुआ है, तो आप उसको बता सकते हैं। और कोई भी ऐसे इंटर्नशिप्स या फिर कोई भी अलग से जो आपने कोर्सेज कर रखे होते हैं, उनके बारे में आप उनको बता सकते हैं। एंड यू कैन टेल इन डिटेल्स अबाउट योर एजुकेशन। नेक्स्ट, what do you feel about your main strength and how will they help you with this job? So आपको अपना स्ट्रेंथ बताना है, लाइक यू आर अ टीम प्लेयर, और you are stay motivated every time, you are very adaptable, and whatever is strength you are, you need to like uh, you need to add this with your with the help of this, this role। आपको जैसे आप adaptable है, if you are adaptable, then this will help you with this job, because you are very you can adapt the things very easily। if you are a team player, then this will help you with the job, because आपको एक टीम के अंदर ही काम करना है इसमें। and if you if you learn things very easily, that is obviously adaptable, so you can correlate your answer with this, so this you need to prepare your answer this way। So the next question you can expect is, how does an ideal boss from your point of view looks like? So here you need to give a answer like the boss who is very fair with everyone, and who does respect your point of view, who respects your opinion, and a person who see everyone at a same level while there is any opportunity, and a boss who gives equal chance to everyone for any opportunities. You can answer like this। Next is, what keeps you motivated to do your best work? So uh, everyone have different motivations in their lives, which keeps them motivated to do the best and to grow. So you need to answer your question like this, the working environment keeps motivated, your family keeps you motivated, or your that can be your mother, your father, and that can be any person in your life, but there is different persons, different things which keeps you motivated for each person differently। so आपको आपका आंसर accordingly prepare करना है। then what do you consider as the biggest professional achievement in your life? So if you are a working professional, or if you have achieved anything professionally in through your education, then you can mention that thing। if you have not achieved anything which you can say as the biggest professional achievement, then uh, you should have anything in mind which will be your biggest achievement। अगर वो होता है तो आपको वो biggest achievement लगेगा, then you can tell them about that। then that's come the end of the question, and आपके इंटरव्यू में जो आपका सबसे लास्ट क्वेश्चन होगा, that will be, is there anything you would like to ask us? so not for exchanger only, but किसी भी इंटरव्यू के लिए, किसी भी प्रोफाइल के इंटरव्यू के लिए, किसी भी कंपनी के इंटरव्यू के लिए अगर आप जाते हैं, so you should keep a question ready to ask the interviewer, because this will be an add-on to your like to your profile, to your interview. So you should ask like what are the technology you should learn in the future, and what are the skills you can gain to achieve a good career in IT. These types of questions you can ask the interviewer. And yeah, so basically, tailoring your answer is the best way to ensure that you satisfy the hiring manager and position yourself as the best candidate for the job. Keep in mind that while questions are welcome, you need to keep them short and sweet. After all, the interview is to determine what you can do for Accenture, not what Accenture can do for you. So, this is the summary. You need to keep your answers very sweet, very relevant, and simple. And you need to keep in mind that interview is to determine that whatever you can do for the company. So you need to just keep in mind that, and accordingly you need to answer every question the interviewer asking to you. So that's all for the interview experience for the system and application services associates. So these are the questions you can expect in this interview, so please prepare accordingly. And very all the best for your interview, who all are having your interviews. And if you have already completed your interview, then please comment me down in the comment box. Or if you are going to have your interview, then also please let me know about this. And prepare yourself very well. So that's all for today's video. अगर आपको कंटेंट अच्छा लगा है वीडियो का, if this is relevant, then please hit the like button and do subscribe to the channel so you never miss any update from Jobkar, as we post job related update and preparation related videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you.